Hello internet marketers, thanks for checking out this review video from How to Webmaster. My name is Leon Tran and today I am reviewing Article Builder. Here I am inside the Article Builder dashboard. So basically Article Builder claims to be quality content at the push of a button, and I was instantly hooked by this line right here, and of course it is. I've never seen this before. And to get started, you're presented with the build an article. So you got the regular build a tips based article and generate a super spun article. So these are pretty much the same thing, but except this one is more unique. So let's start with the build a tip based articles. Let's select affiliate marketing. That's everyone's favorite subject, and you can use super spun. So super spun will give you super spun content, and we'll see what that is in a bit. And then this checkbox is making super spun even more unique, and you can see here for an explanation, and the quality still remains very good. So you're gonna lack a little bit of readability possibly, but it's gonna be more unique. So if you're gonna use super spun, you might as well check on these two boxes. And affiliate marketing, you can also enter in a subtopic keyword. So affiliate marketing, we have a bunch of subtopics like CPA marketing, lead generation, pay per sale. You can try some of your more targeted relevant keywords. So let's type in CPA and see what it comes up with, and you can choose how many word count you want, from 3 to 1,000 keywords. So the more the better. And how many articles do you want to produce? So let's do one for now. And translation, so this is a new feature where you can translate the article, which is probably not gonna be very readable. So I always stick with the English, and you can click on advanced option, perform automatic LSI replacements. So basically it's gonna replace some of your category primary keywords like affiliate marketing with other like affiliate promotion or web marketing or affiliate advertising. So that's good to leave it checked. And encode output, so it's a pretty weird. So it will encode your article text with encoded HTML characters, and to make it more unique, but it's kind of weird and to do, so I don't recommend using the encoded output and having the same number of paragraphs. You probably don't need that, so leave that unchecked. Spin articles together, so you produce say 1,000 word count of an article, and then you produce 10 articles. Each one of them is going to be unique, but you can spin them together and make one giant article you want. But in this case, I only want one. We'll do another example with the multi-spinning of articles together. And rewrite sentences using the best spinner. Yes, I absolutely recommend rewriting the sentences using the best spinner and spinning the content with synonyms from the best spinner, but I'll show you guys that after with these different options. But let's build the article and see what it looks like. And it quickly builds my one single article here, and it's perfectly readable. So each one of these, it's a snippet or a tips, and there's my CPA subtopic keyword. So here it is, and again, this is each one of these are 100% written by a human. So the readability quality is the highest it can be. So what Article Builder does is it writes a bunch of these sentences and snippets, and then thousands of them, and then every time somebody uses Article Builder to build an article, it'll pull from that database of thousands upon thousands of these sentences and snippets and piece them together into one big giant article. So just how unique are these articles? So let's find out. I'm going to just copy this sentence here and then do a Google search and see how many other website content have this exact same line here. So there are two other websites, two different websites having the exact same line with my produced article, but the whole article itself is unique to these. So let's go check out the website with containing the sentence that is the same as the article builder. So healthy baby, everhealthybaby.com. So I'm at the website here, and here's the same exact line here. Let me click on this article. I'm going to copy this article, and then I'm going to compare it with the one I have from article builder. So let's paste that in here. So this is the article from the Everbaby Healthy Baby website, and I'm going to copy the article builder just to see the difference between the two. So as you can see, it is almost totally unique with a pretty much 1% match, and I don't even see that phrase in here somewhere. So as you can see, article builder does a very good job in creating highly readable, unique content at the click of a button. And you can even use it just like that, but to be even more careful and make it more unique, you can use the best binner. So before trying out the best binner with article builder, let's check out another category, and I'm going to show you the super spun with the mixing of the articles together. Let's do real estate investing this time, and I'm going to use super spun, and let's do 1,000 words. Let's do 10. Sure, and then I'm going to spin the articles together to build my article. So here it gives you a spin tax version of 10 articles spun together. So you will need to decipher these, the spin tax. So let's use the best binner. I'm going to paste in my article here, and then click on spun article, and to give me a super unique article here. And let's copy a phrase and check it out on Google. So this is really crazy. This phrase I've just copied has over almost 500,000 results containing this exact phrase. A great way to invest money and keep control over life is by investing in real estate. So look at that, 500,000 results. So that's pretty crazy. And as I've mentioned, but there will be no two articles that are exactly the same. And to be on the safe side, like I mentioned, use an article spinner. And one more thing, so with the 10 articles we've just spun together, you can click spun article and it'll give you a brand new article from those 10 spun together. As you can see, each time I click the article and spun, it's different. Everything is replaced with a different group of phrases and sentences. To make it even more unique, we want to replace words. Instead of just sentences and long phrases, we want to replace the words with different words. Okay, let's try an article with the best binner. Let's do email marketing. So once you select super spun content, you can't type in optional keywords anymore. do 1,000 keywords or 1,000 words. Advanced, let's do the LSI, and I don't need to spin articles together if I only select one. And to have the best quality, let's do spin phrases only. Otherwise it'll go and try to spin each single word, every single word with a synonym. But if I only spin phrases, it's better. And let's generate spun article only, no spin tags, meaning I just want the final spun rewritten content without the spin tag. So let's do build my article, and here it is. Takes about 5 seconds, and here's my brand new article. This is probably gonna be as unique as it gets, and it actually reads pretty well with the best spinner spinning the phrases. So let's copy a phrase or sentence and see if there's any other in the world that has this exact same line of words. No results found. That's what I expected. If I was using the original line without being spun, I'm sure there will be many or hundreds and thousands maybe with the exact same line. But if it's spun with the best spinner, you're gonna have a very, very unique article, and no other in the world will have these exact same snippets, and it's already spun. So there's no way anyone will have this exact same article. So it's super unique and pretty good, high quality readability. You're still gonna need to read over it and fix any mistakes, like this one for instance, and it will take a couple minutes, few minutes to read to fix these mistakes. But then you have a nice quality article to post on your websites, and that's the power of the best spinner with Article Builder. And there's one last thing we need to try, is generate a super spun article. So with this means it's already gonna bypass all these settings and just generate a super spun article on demand at will. So let's do search engine optimization, generate article, and here you have a randomly generated article about search engine optimization. And with this setting, you won't be able to use the best spinner to rewrite it first. So I copy this line here and paste it into Google, and there's 167 other places with this exact same line, but you can see they're different. But let's check out the uniqueness. So I'm at the first result page here, and here's that same line. I'm just gonna copy this and I'm gonna paste it into Copyscape, and I'm gonna use my original article here, produced from Article Builder, and paste it on over here, and let's compare it. There's a 7% match. So as you can see, even with 167 results, each one of these articles will probably only be 7% match to my article. So that's how Article Builder, once again, is so amazing, because they spent many thousands of hours of man hours trying to create these snippets for quick and easy content at the push of a button. There's no other tools or software that can do this kind of thing that Article Builder does. So that's why it's super unique. So I hope this review gives you some ideas about Article Builder and whether or not this is something for you. Check out the link below for more info on getting Article Builder with the discount. Thanks again for watching. Please subscribe to my How to Webmaster channel for more tips and tricks on internet marketing and more review videos on other top internet marketing tools and programs. Thanks again, and I wish you happy marketing.